Beneath the waves, a young mermaid with silver scales and curious eyes dreams of the world above, a world where children play on sandy shores. Coral's heart flutters with excitement as she catches the distant sounds of children's laughter drifting down from the surface, igniting a spark of curiosity within her. Enchanted by the joyful sounds, Coral decides to take a daring leap of faith, using her latent magic to transform her tail into delicate legs, ready to venture onto the sand. The unfamiliar sensation of sand beneath her feet sends a thrill through Coral's being, excitement mingling with trepidation as she takes her first steps towards the beach.